Close your eyes. Imagine a whisper in the dark, so faint you almost miss it. Yet that faint pulse is the universe leaning in, waiting for your words. Tonight you'll discover 5 clandestine techniques, time-tested, fear-defying, reality-bending, that let you not just wish upon the stars, but command them. By the end, you'll wield a force so potent, you'll watch the cosmos bend at your beckoning. You've recited affirmations into your steamy bathroom mirror, scrawled dreams on vision boards, and yet nothing changes. Opportunities slide through your fingers like water. Doubt claws at your resolve. Maybe I'm deceiving myself. Maybe manifestation is for charlatans. Meanwhile, the world's cacophony, emails, deadlines, news cycles, drowns out the subtler frequencies where miracles germinate. You're stuck in a static-filled radio station, desperate for a clear signal. Most give up here, believing destiny is carved in stone. But what if that very belief is the lock on your cosmic potential? Legends across civilizations, from the Vedic rishis to Tibetan yogis, from Carl Jung to J. Krishnamurti, all converged on one electrifying insight. You are not separate from the universe, you are its voice. The Brihadāraṇyaka Upaniṣad calls this the śabda, the primal word, the vibratory essence underlying all matter. Jung termed it the collective unconscious, an infinite reservoir of archetypal energy we can tap. Krishnamurti spoke of choiceless awareness aroused, a silent portal to unconditioned reality. Tonight, I'll initiate you into 5 sacred practices. 1. Inner silence and listening. Tune into the cosmic heartbeat. 2. Charged visualization. Forge your desires in the smithy of emotion. 1. Vibrational alignment. Raise your energetic pitch to the signature of creation. 4. Inspired action and synchronicity. Be the dancer, not the puppet. 1. Gratitude and surrender. Release the cage of control and let flow arise. These are not New Age fluff. They're hardwired pathways, bioelectrical, psychological, spiritual, proven to shift atoms. Ready your mind? Reality awaits your command. We start with stillness, a place so raw it can spook you. In the Yoga Vasistha, sages recount hearing a cosmic echo within the silence between breaths. To access this, find a darkened room, sit with a straight spine, close your eyes and breathe in long, slow counts of 5, exhale in counts of 7. Feel the lungs expand like cosmic bellows. As chatter arises, memories, plans, anxieties, label them thought and let them drift like leaves on a stream. Return attention to the space between breaths. Soon you'll notice a faint, high-pitched resonance like tuning a broken radio. That's the universe's frequency. You might hear a word, abundance, a flash of imagery, silver light, even a visceral sensation, a tingle at your third eye. Write it down immediately. These raw downloads are your cosmic instructions. Skip them and opportunity dissolves. Visualization without emotional charge is a toy sword. It looks sharp, but won't cut. Jung's active imagination teaches us to enter the image until it breathes. Here's how to ignite this power. Select a goal. Be precise. I command a 6-figure contract by November, not I want more money. Construct the scene. See the contract on a mahogany desk, the gold seal gleaming. Hear the pen glide, smell the oak polish, feel the leather chair beneath you. Flood it with emotion. Taste the victory on your tongue. Sense the relief melting from your shoulders. Let tears of triumph leak. Ancient yogis called this RTA, aligning your inner scene with cosmic order. Do this at dawn or dusk, liminal hours when the veil thins. Spend 10-15 minutes daily. As you repeat, neurons form a hologram of success in your brain, rewiring perception. Then watch the external world rush to mirror your inner masterpiece. Science confirms every cell, every thought, every heartbeat vibrates at its own frequency. The Kanva Upanishad identifies Om as the blueprint of creation. We replicate that principle by crafting a personal mantra. Distill your goal into 5-7 potent words, e.g., I am magnetic abundance. Chanting with resonance, stand tall, feel the vibration in your throat and chest. Let the sound ripple through your body like a tuning fork. Breath wave. Integration, inhale for 4 beats, hold 1 beat, exhale for 6. Visualize exhalation expelling doubt-laced frequency. As your habitual vibration climbs, you'll notice subtle shifts, a surge of clarity, an uncanny gut feeling, or the sudden appearance of resources you didn't know existed. Keep a manifestation log. Document every sign, every goosebump synchronicity. These are proof of your field's recalibration. Jung's study of synchronistic events revealed the universe conspires in your favor when you move with bold receptivity. But how do you trigger these cosmic callbacks? Track nudges, a random article headline, a fleeting thought, a stranger's offhand remark. Immediate response? Send that email, scroll to that section, pick up that call, follow the thread. These breadcrumbs lead you to hidden doorways. Imagine you dream of a book deal. Then you bump into an old mentor at a cafe who mentions a publisher friend. You act, sending your proposal within the hour. That's synchronicity in action. Each nudge is a coded invitation. Your only job is to leap. Boldness begets cosmic momentum. Chart these moments and you'll see the matrix of co-creation unfurl. True power lies in paradox. You must hold desire and let it go simultaneously. The Bhagavad Gita teaches nishkama karma, action without attachment. Gratitude is the lever that pries you free. Morning gratitude, ritual. List 5 gifts. No matter how small, the coffee's aroma, a friend's text, your steady pulse. Savor each memory as if tasting fine wine. Emotional amplification. Feel warmth bloom in your chest. Let it radiate through your arms and legs. This energy field dissolves scarcity's gravity. Surrender. Declaration. At day's end, recite, I have done my part. I release the outcome to the cosmic flow. In this state, you become like water, unresisting, shape-shifting, unstoppable. The universe meets water with its own course, guiding it through new channels. Envision waking tomorrow with a new neural blueprint. Every moment is a brushstroke on the fabric of reality. No longer do you beg for miracles, you command them. Scarcity fears evaporate. Abundance becomes your baseline. You'll feel it, a sudden influx of leads, a chance encounter that blossoms into partnership, an idea that arrives fully formed in your mind at 3 a.m. This is not fantasy. It's the predictable outcome when you operate from the nexus of mind, heart, and cosmic intelligence. You are the alchemist. Thought is your philosopher's stone. Stand now at the portal of unlimited creation. Speak these 5 techniques into being. Silence, charged vision, vibration, inspired action, gratitude, and watch the universe bow to your sovereignty. No longer a pawn of circumstance, you become its master architect. This is the Thought Alchemist.